In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best pizza stones. So let's get started.
Hi, if you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Wilton Perfect Results. This metal pizza stone is designed to give you the crispiest pizza possible, whether it starts frozen or from scratch. The key is the holes in the bottom of the pan. Amazon customers, who overwhelmingly give the pan 5-star reviews, claim it even makes a cauliflower crust seriously crispy. It's made of dishwasher-safe steel and has a non-stick coating for easy cleanup. Number 6. Cuisinart CPS 445. This pizza stone comes with a pizza cutter, a pizza peel, 3,300 customer reviews, and a 4.5-star rating. The stone itself is ceramic and 13 inches in diameter. It can withstand temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit and can be placed directly on a charcoal, propane, or pellet grill. It's also great for warming and toasting everything from bagels to tortillas to waffles. Number 5. BakerStone Pizza Box. For most at-home pizza chefs, restaurant-quality pizza is often elusive. This is due to the type of oven restaurants typically use, brick or wood-fired, and the high heat they produce. This mini pizza oven is designed to give you the restaurant quality you crave in the comfort of your own home. It cooks pizzas in as little as 5 minutes by heating up to about 800 degrees Fahrenheit and gives you an evenly cooked, crispy crust that you just can't get with your conventional oven. This thing is like having a pizza shop in a box, wrote one reviewer. It's easy to use. It's not super large, but it works for personal-size pizza, and the kids love it. It also comes with a pizza paddle and a wooden tray for cutting and serving. Number 4. Honey Can Do Pizza Stone. The name of this pizza stone says it all. Beyond the obvious, pizza, it's a great surface for baking bread and pastries, and even for roasting veggies. The non-cracking clay heats evenly and can handle up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The 16-inch circumference is big enough to fit a large pizza, and the bottom features raised feet, which make it easy to pick it up and move it even when it's hot. Though some customers note that it has a slight chemical odor at first, which does not transfer to the food, it still has a strong 4.4-star rating on Amazon. Number 3. Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron. It's hard to go wrong with cast iron skillets, and that goes for cast iron pizza stones as well. This trusted brand's model comes pre-seasoned, which means that it will have some non-stick qualities. When used properly, it heats evenly and holds heat well to keep pizza piping hot. The stone can be used in the oven, on the stove, on the grill, or over a campfire. Plus, it can work as a frying pan and easily cook a stovetop breakfast of bacon and eggs. Customers love the versatility of this product. I've used it so far for homemade pizza, oven fries, pancakes, and sunny-side-up eggs, wrote one reviewer. I love that it goes from stovetop to oven. It's a griddle, pizza pan, and sheet pan all in one. Number 2. NerdChef Steel Stone. Get the high temps of a fired pizza in your conventional oven. This metal pizza stone is designed to have super high heat convention, which will make a 450-degree oven feel like 1000 degrees Fahrenheit to your pizza. It's made of solid steel, which means that it's not just durable, but unbreakable, something you don't get with a ceramic stone. Thanks to its high conductivity, it also has incredibly fast cook times and produces a crispy crust. Still not convinced? Number 1. Emile Henry Flame. It's getting hot in here, so get out your flametop pizza stone. This glazed clay pizza stone can withstand open flame up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This means it's great for use on a gas stove, a charcoal, wood, or gas grill, or straight in the oven. Customers love that it's stain and scratch resistant and praised its versatility. I have found it can be used as a hot plate, says one. It also has a whopping 10-year warranty, which makes the price worth it.